Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to cancel your Ecwid subscription. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and register for a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side screen you can find all the sections for managing your store, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started canceling our subscription. If you do not want to be a premium user anymore, we can cancel that subscription easily. What you're looking for is right here at the left side screen. You want to go and find this section right here that says my profile. After putting your mouse on my profile, it's going to open up this new menu and you can open up billings and plans. So by opening up billing and plans, guys, this is now going to go ahead and give you a preview of the plans that you can use for your store. As you can see here, the unlimited plan, business venture, and so on. As you can see, currently I'm in the free plan. But basically, if you are currently using any of the premium plans and you want to switch and you do not want to use the premium plans anymore, what you can do is just select the free plan from here. It's going to enable you to go and click upgrade to free. So it's going to enable you to switch to the free plan, and once you switch to the free plan, you're no longer going to be a part of any of the paid plans and you will no longer be billed for those plans. So if you want to switch, just switch to free and this is going to cancel your subscription, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.